Hi YouTube, this is my bike check on my Free Agent Trail Duster. I just got it not that long ago. It's my friend's bike. I'm just gonna do a review on it for him. Well, there's Free Agent grips, Free Agent brakes. It's pretty much all stock except, yeah, and then there's like Viper rims, whatever they're called. And just got little one shadow pegs in red. And there's a Free Agent seat right here. It's pretty nice. It's not like super uncomfortable. There's Welgo pedals. Same rims as in the front. The hub, I'll give it a sound for you. It's really not that bad. The bike isn't really that heavy itself. I haven't really bothered to take off the chain guard and all the reflectors yet, and some stickers on it just to make it cool. And yeah, and that's. Oh, there's still a Free Agent stem and yeah, and that's all. Thank you.